right? Biggest thing for me was just all those things, right? It's the camaraderie, it's the humility, right? Humility, I think, is the biggest takeaway for me, right? Because when I was younger, watching the UFCs, right?
Kevin did like a little video yesterday, and he was
Right.
talking to me about what's the hardest thing for you in jiu-jitsu.
Right.
And at this point in my life, like I'm not showing up. It's what I do, right? But
Right.
I think just the humility it gives
Yeah.
you,
Yeah. Yeah.
like losing, right? Having to
Right.
deal with that, and it makes you a better person because of it.
Right. Right. Yeah. Because a lot of people, I have friends who don't train, right, and they watch videos and and they think they could fight. Everyone in the gym thinks they can fight, right? But it's not the same. Once
You go to the weightlifting gym, right?
like
all these
weightlifting
guys,
games,
like,
right?
lifting weights,
Right.
and they have no idea.
Right. Right. And then once you grapple with someone, it's different, right? I mean, you're trying to survive. Doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter what you do. You're in it, and you're going to roll with this person. Someone's always going to be faster. Someone's always going to be stronger. You leave your ego at the door, and gives you that balance in life, right? It gives you a perspective, right? I think 2 weeks ago I rolled with David. He's a coach here, Big David.
Yeah.
It's like what, 260 pounds. So I picked him. I typically pick my rolls, but I picked him, and I couldn't get away from his top pressure. But it is what it is, right?
Yeah.
It's humility, It's respecting everybody.
Staying calm and
Staying calm and
figure this out. Am I going to give up, or am I going to figure this out?
Right, and just surviving there, and using your technique, see if you can negate the weight difference, right? And the technique.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You talk about camaraderie, and I have a memory of us going to Malibu and even having whose birthday was that?
It was Robert Torres' birthday,
with
yeah.
Patrick Santos.
With Patrick
Rest
Santos,
in peace.
Yeah.
Robert, did Chris go that night?
Who else was there? I think Chris was there.
Yeah, Edith and
Edith was
Ali.
there. I know Robert was there. Yeah. And definitely Patrick and his wife at that time. Yeah. Oh, Brian was there. Brian Gregerson.
That's
and
right.
his
That's
wife.
right. Brian Gregerson.
I laugh because Brian doesn't drink, remember?
Doesn't what?
And he doesn't drink.
Doesn't drink, yeah.
And then we were taking shots, and he was so, I don't want to take a shot. But yeah, Brian was there with his wife. Yeah.
It's been a lot of years. It's been a few years, right? With all of us being together and
Right.
and people like I think Kevin was asking me like James, you Loth, you Encino, but you were like, yeah, you followed the different places that I went to before
Right.
Burbank was even open.
Yeah. And I'm still, speaking of camaraderie, Raul Baragan.
Yeah.
I still stay in touch
Raul,
with him.
yeah.